Hello innovators, I am Thangaraj Anand, founder of Sai Elite India. This is not just a company, this is the place where thousands of ideas are born every day. From my machine shop, the sparks fly to the training room where the future's heroes are made. This is where the machines turn into minds, and today you are invited not to just watch but to create the destiny with AI. Come walk with me. This is my mission shop, and where the missions, we have the idea, we have the imaginations, it become reality in the mission shop, and we move into the training room. So we have 5 chairs here. This is for the training innovators. They will build the robots here, and the next the fifth chair is the laptop. Open your laptop, open Google Colab, and register your Gmail email ID, and another window you open the Gemini AI Studio, and you need to generate the code. Once the code is ready, you need to make the API key, create an API key from the Gemini AI Studio to copy paste in the Google Colab code. Once you copy the code, then run the program, boom, your idea comes alive. That is just learning. That's a transformation, the evolution of AI. AI started in 1950s with a very simple rules, and then came the machine learning, and then deep learning, and but today the revolution is agentic AI. This is an AI that does not just answer your questions. It takes action, it adapts, and it plans. Imagine this students who not only solve your homework but also book your exam, reminds you to revise, and writes your notes. That's the agentic AI, and it's already here. Okay, let's demystify the AI, MI, and machine learning, deep learning, and data science. So here's the secret. Student always ask me what is AI, MI, DL, DS. So for easy to remember, I have some ideas for you to share. It's a secret. You just imagine data science is like a kitchen manager, and machine learning is a students learning with the examples, and deep learning is twins who learn by watching everything. So it's watching each and everything in the data, and when compared to the agentic AI, it's like a waiter who delivers your food before you even ask. It's simple, right? This is how we make AI human to understand. Okay, hands-on collab demo. Enough talking. Let's do it. Open a Google Colab with me. Type a line, and in a second you will find AI predictions. So usually we will get the predictions. Once the model get trained, it become expert. This is the idea. Now stop, look at this. This is the exact chair. You will sit inside Sai Elite India in the robotic lab, and here's the truth how institution charges. They charge 1,50,000 for 6 months of AI training, but I believe in giving to every passionate learners. That's why I opened just 100 seats for my first 6-month weekend internship. Real time, face to face with me for only 1,499 for a month. So the course is 6-month course. Okay, it's a real time, not online, with the certifications and skills you can hold in your hands and ask yourself, do you want just watch AI videos, or do you want to build your own AI in a robotics lab with your own hands? If yes, then you can't afford to miss this chance. AI models solve two main types of problems. One is regression and another is classifications. Regressions, a good example is predicting a house price, and classification is something like detecting the spams. That's classified. Okay, from there we move up. What is ANN? ANN is just like a brain, and CNN is just like a eyes, and RNN is a memory unit, and the transformer is full context masters. Do you see the power? And soon you will design this inside our lab. Generative AI. Generative AI creates text, art, code, and even musics. But RAG is a retrieval augmented generation, and it's a secret weapon. And LLMs are giant libraries, but RAGs, it's add today's newspaper. It's just give the latest information, and that's why NASA and IEEE is already using RAGs in mission data. Build your own AI app. Why consume AI? You can create your own AI. Here's your roadmap. Fine tune your model and connect the API and deploy with the Streamlight, and boom, you just build your own ChatGPT for your college or your company or your startup unit. And in my internship, you will not only learn this, you will do this, and I guide you in every weekend. By 2030, Agentic AI will be a common, as now we are using the smartphone, and by 2035, those who control AI will control the industries, cities, and even our nations. The choice is yours. Be a consumer of AI or a creator of AI. Which one you going to be? Today you have seen the journey of AI. You have run your first Colab demo. You have learned about LLMs and RAGs. Now it's your turn. I am opening just 100 seats for my 6-month weekend internship at Sai Elite India, only for rupees 12,499. While others charge 1,50,000, you get access to real lab, real mentorship, and real skill, and a certificates that proves you future ready abilities. And engineering students, engineering employees, innovators, this is your calling. This is your once in lifetime chance to become the superheroes of AI and robotics. Don't just subscribe and act. Click the link below. Register for $499. Balance you pay it while starting the course. Come on with your first Colab output, and I will feature the best one in my next viral video. Let's not just watch the future. Let's build the future together.